You're not a parrot. Not again. Earl. Earl. Tell him. Earl. Tell him. Cat, dog, / parrot. Buddy. Buddy. Baby. You want to get off of mommy's shoulder? And then, oh yeah, you gotta be in between my legs, right? You gotta be. I don't even know. Oh, you blend it too much.